How to fix Play Store payment error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Play Store payment error on Android phone. First then just go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps and click apps again. Now scroll and here you need to find Play Store survives, Google Play survives, services, and now click storage and clear cache and go back again to permissions. Now you need to allow all of those here and then just go back and then we need to find Google and go to storage and clear cache and then go to permissions and allow those here and then go to Google Play Store and force stop it and now click data usage and check this one here. Wait, storage, clear cache, and then check permissions. This one, storage. And now just go back and restart your phone and try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe and see you in the next video.